Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making a restaurant style microwave Palak Paneer recipe. This North Indian delicacy is a spinach and cottage cheese curry prepared with an aromatic blend of spices. I am going to be adding a slight twist to this dish. So stay tuned until the end to know what new ingredients are added to set this dish apart. I'll be also giving you a tip on how to modify this recipe in case you would like to make it on a regular day. Without further ado, let's get started. For the Palak Paneer, first cut the fresh paneer or cottage cheese into triangles and soak it in hot water for a minimum of 10 minutes. You may also cut it into cubes or long pieces. Alternatively, you can deep fry cut paneer pieces and soak them in hot water. Cooking paneer reduces its moisture content to make it hard and rubbery. Soaking paneer in hot water gives it an additional moisture so that it can remain soft and supple even after cooking. Next, microwave oil and butter on high uncovered for 30 seconds or until butter melts fully. Allow a standing time of 10 seconds. Then add cumin seeds, garlic, green chilies and mix well. Microwave on high uncovered for 2 minutes. Let it rest for 30 seconds. Now add onions and mix well. Microwave on high uncovered for 2.5 minutes or until they become translucent or slightly pink. Allow a standing time of 40 seconds. Then add tomatoes and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and microwave on high uncovered for 1 minute or until slightly soft. Allow it to stand for 20 seconds. Adding salt here will release juices from the tomatoes and cook it faster. Now add gram flour and mix well. Microwave on high for 30 seconds or until it loses its raw flavor. Let it rest for 10 seconds. Adding gram flour gives thickness to the gravy. It also gives it a subtle nutty flavor. Next, add the crushed vegetable stock cube and 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. Further add spinach puree, salt to taste and cumin powder. Mix well once again and microwave on high uncovered for 2 minutes or until spices blend into the mixture. Let it rest for 30 seconds. I am using already prepared spinach puree here. If you have missed our video on making spinach puree in a microwave, you may click on the link in the description. Finally, drain off excess water from the paneer. Add this paneer, nutmeg powder, garam masala, crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves and fresh cream. Mix well and microwave on medium-high or 80% power uncovered for 2 minutes or until flavors blend well. I have added 3 tablespoons of fresh cream as I like a mild flavor of spinach here, but you can add 2 tablespoons for an enhanced spinach flavor. Let it stand for 30 seconds. Your Palak Paneer is ready to serve. So if you would like to make this recipe on a regular day, substitute fresh cream in this recipe with 1/4 cup of fresh milk. In any recipe involving paneer or cream, don't cook for a long time after adding them to the dish, as paneer will become hard and cream will change its texture. For the tempering, first microwave a combination of oil and ghee or clarified butter on high uncovered for 30 seconds or until the mixture is hot. Allow a standing time of 10 seconds. Then add cumin seeds and garlic. Mix well and microwave on high uncovered for 2.5 minutes or until garlic is slightly pink or roasted. Make sure garlic does not become over roasted. Allow a standing time of 40 seconds. The secret ingredients that make this dish absolutely tasty are vegetable stock, nutmeg powder and roasted garlic. Pour the tempering on top of steaming hot Palak Paneer. Garnish with fresh cream and serve along with naan, paratha, roti or any rice variety like jeera rice. tip of the day. Cooking paneer on a reduced power level like medium-high will prevent it from becoming hard. Microwave cooking time varies depending on the power of a microwave. The time shown here is applicable for a 1000-watt microwave. If the power of your microwave is lower, in each step just increase the cooking time at intervals of 20 seconds until it is done. Thank you very much for watching. I would really appreciate if you give this video a like and this channel a subscribe if you really enjoy our videos. It helps support the work we do and also reach new audiences. If you have any questions or comments, do let us know in the comment section below. I love interacting with you all, so I'll see you there. That's it for today, everyone. Until next time, microwave it like Madhu.